In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unmute stories on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. On the next step, we need to search for someone's profile for which we would like to unmute stories. To do that, I'm gonna go to search, and now I'm gonna search for that user by their username. Once you are at user's profile, top right here, select mute. As you can see, this toggle next to stories turned on, which means that I muted stories from that particular user. To unmute stories, just turn it off. However, if you don't remember whose stories you have muted, there is another way how we can find all the users with muted stories, posts and notes. To do that, first of all, we need to go to our profile, top right here, select Settings and Privacy, and then tap at Muted Accounts. As you can see, I got 4 accounts here, and then we can go to some particular account, top right here, tap at mute to see which exact type of content I have muted, and then we can just turn it off. And also we can unmute someone right from here, from that list. To do that, just tap at unmute and you will see the same options, and from here we can configure which type of content we would like to mute or unmute. Let's say I would like to unmute stories but mute posts. That's how you can easily unmute stories on Instagram.